Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. Are you ready to read with me? Let's get started. Say the sounds loudly and read. A, ed, red. T, ent, tent. A red tent. Now, can you try reading on your own? Follow the finger and read. A red tent. You can try writing too. A, ost, lost. D-o-g, dog. A lost dog. To read, children must know the letter sounds really well. You can download the up to 6 phonics apps to learn the sounds. Now it's your turn to read. A lost dog. A, long. As a digraph. Ist, list. A long list. Now it's your turn to read. A long list. Cr as a consonant blend. Ack, crack. An, egg, egg. Crack an egg. Can you read? Crack an egg. A, and, sand, ich, which, sandwich. A sandwich. Now, can you try reading? A sandwich. A, gr as a consonant blend. Gr, in, green. E as a digraph. Sock. Sock. A green sock. Try reading. Follow the finger and read. A green sock. Very good. Fish. Fish. And. Chips. Fish and chips. Sh and ch are digraphs. Now it is your turn to read. Follow the finger and read. Say the sounds loudly and blend the sounds. Fish and chips. And practice writing too. A big. Big. Sheep. Sheep. A big sheep. Sh is a digraph. Your turn to read. A big sheep. A help. Help. Ing. Helping. Is a digraph. And. Hand. A helping hand. Now, can you try reading? A helping hand. A bird. Bird. Is a digraph. In. Nest. A bird in nest. To learn the diagrams, download the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app. Now, can you try reading on your own? A bird in nest. A pl as a consonant blend. An, plain. Snail, snail. A plain snail. A is a digraph. Now try reading. A plane. Now try reading. A plain snail. A snail. Snail. Trail. Trail. A snail trail. Sn and tr are consonant blends. Now it is your turn to read. A snail trail. A deep. Deep. E is a digraph. L. Well. Double letters make only one sound. A deep well. Now, can you try reading? A deep well. Very good. A long. As a digraph. Str is a consonant blend. Str ing. String. A long string. Can you read? See the diagrams too. Learn the diagrams on the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app. A long string. A oat. Boat. In. A oat. Moat. A boat in a moat. O is a digraph. Now, can you read? Follow the finger and read. A boat in a moat. A oat. Goat. And oats. Oats. A goat and oats. Try writing these phrases. Now, can you read? A goat and oats. Very good. A o long. Stir is a consonant blend. Stir, eat. Street, a long street. There are two diagrams, and E. Can you identify them? A long street. Now you try reading. A long street. Well done. A thin. Belt. A thin belt. Th is a digraph. It's your turn to read. A thin belt. Good job. A stir is a consonant blend. A strong. Smell. Is a consonant blend. A strong smell. Try reading. A strong smell. Keep practicing. Read and write these phrases again and again. Thanks for watching. See you soon.